Welcome to Turbo Rider. Today. The 2025 Yamaha YZ500 is one of the most anticipated dirt bikes in the motocross world. While Yamaha has not officially released a YZ500 yet, enthusiasts strongly believe that such a model could be the next big step in Yamaha's legendary YZ lineup. Built on the success of the YZ450F, the YZ500 is expected to be a true powerhouse designed for serious riders and competitive racing. Engine and performance. The YZ500 is rumored to feature a 500 cubic centimeters, liquid-cooled engine, most likely a four-stroke, capable of producing over 60 horsepower. With explosive acceleration and massive torque, this bike would dominate both motocross tracks and enduro trails. Transmission. A 5-speed or possibly 6-speed close-ratio manual gearbox is expected, designed for smooth shifting and maximum power delivery. Frame and suspension. The bike will likely use Yamaha's lightweight aluminum bilateral beam frame, giving it both rigidity and flexibility for aggressive riding. Suspension would include KYB's speed-sensitive system front forks and a fully adjustable rear shock, ensuring precise handling and superior stability. Brakes and electronics. The YZ500 is expected to come with hydraulic disc brakes front and rear, with the possibility of advanced ABS. On the electronic side, riders could see launch control, selectable riding modes, traction control, and smartphone app connectivity via the Yamaha Power Tuner app. Weight and purpose. With an estimated dry weight between 110 and 115 kilograms, the YZ500 would balance power with agility. It would be built for motocross racing, enduro challenges, and extreme off-road conditions. Final note. While these details are based on speculation and Yamaha's current YZ technology, if the YZ500 becomes a reality, it will be a game changer in the world of dirt bikes. Like, share, and subscribe to Turbo Rider.